saw you in this light, I never wanted to. 'Cause what you did tonight, it ripped my heart in two. The pain that's all inside got me abused and confused, because I believe in love for always. You said just last September we'd always be together. You told me you would never, but now our bonds are severed. Tell me you're the one, tell it to my heart. Show me that you're done tearing us apart. I'd love to look away as if I didn't know, but I can't ignore the pain that surrounds me as I go. Feels like a jagged stick pushing my heart till it breaks, 'cause I believe in love for always. Please tell me you remember what you said in that letter. You want us more than ever, but then you succumb to pleasure. What you thinking of? What's inside your head? What about our love defiled in someone's bed? No, no. God help me please to understand. Reach out to me, your helping hand. Help me to demonstrate your ways. Even these days you've given unto me the chance to make it right. Through you I'll spread my wings like an eagle in the sky. I put my trust in thee and I leap before I fly, 'cause I believe in love for always. Don't want a heart that's bitter, I radically forgive her. I hope she reconsiders and walk away from me never. Tell it to my heart, show it to me clearly, the love that comes from God, and that you'll stay near me. One thing I have discovered, this one thing will complete me. If I do or don't forgive others the same way God will treat me. In Matthew 6 verse 15 we find a curse or blessing. It's just his ways, it always pays to believe in love.